here. Thank you so much. Ito po ay ground beef with sweet peas, carrots, potato, shrimp, ketchup, chicken with onion, salt and pepper to taste. Tutulak ko siya. Ayan po ang ganda na color. Diba? So, tawag po sa lahat. Thank you so much. I love you all. Ayan po ang aking dinner for tonight. I cook this one for my aunt, for my cousin here in America. So, thank you. Love you guys. Yummy. Love you. Shout out sa mga minamahal ng mga subscribers and girlfriend. Thank you so much. I love you.